welcome to Aditya's kitchen. I'm going to show you how to make roasted potatoes. We need 3 potatoes, 2 garlics, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of oil. Now let's mix. Then I cut the potatoes and the garlic into small pieces. Now let's mix the ingredients together. Now first I put all the potatoes into the bowl. Then I put the garlic into the bowl. Then I put the salt in the bowl. And then I put the oil inside the bowl. Then I mix all the ingredients together. After I finished mixing the ingredients, put the potatoes into the tray. Then just preheat the oven for 300 degrees. And then when the oven is fully heated, just put the potatoes into the oven for it to cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, when your roasted potato is all ready, it's time to eat. Since the potatoes are small, I'm going to use the toaster oven. And now I'm heating the oven. Let's wait until the oven is fully heated. Now the oven is preheated. Now I'm going to set the timer to 400 degrees. Now let's put the potatoes into the oven. Set the oven to 400 degrees for 30 minutes. Now 30 minutes is over. The roasted potatoes are all done. Now let's taste it. It tastes very good. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.